Hello again and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to talk about the negative sides of living in a traditional Japanese house. So welcome to our home. First on the list, insulation, or rather the lack of it. Traditional Japanese houses are built for good airflow, which helps in summer but terrible in winter. The walls are thin. The windows are usually single glazed and there is no central heating. This means you can freeze in winter and overheat in summer. Many people use kotatsu table, or electric heaters, or air conditioners, but these can lead to high electricity bills. Our horikotatsu is currently broken, so we are using a gas fan heater that blows warm air. This is our heater. It works like a fan but makes the air very dry. Bags and other unwanted guests. Traditional Japanese houses are mostly made of wood and paper, making them an ideal home for insects like centipedes, termites, and cockroaches. If you live in countryside, you might even find snakes or tanuki sneaking in. To keep pests out, it's important to seal any gap and do regular pest control. Do you remember our video about termite damage? And they came from here because there was a hole around here and they came up like this. And then ate all the inside and also the other side here. Luckily, we haven't had any more problems and we can use that area again without any restriction now. Earthquake risk. Japan is one of the most earthquake-prone countries in the world. Older houses are not built with a modern earthquake protection, so big earthquake could cause serious damage or even collapse the house. Strengthening an old house to survive earthquakes can be very expensive, so if you are thinking of buying one, always check if it's safe. In our home, we feel at least one small earthquake every week. Usually, the windows shake a little and lamps sway. That's why we keep the things stored behind the closed shelves so nothing falls out during an earthquake.
First the table and then the zabuton. So it takes some time, it can be a little bit annoying, but we are able to save space with this. That's it.
Old houses need a lot of care. Wood can rot, roofs can leak, and paper doors tear easily. And you can see here, the shoji is ripped. So if we want to exchange this part, we have to exchange whole piece. So here you can see the floor is in a bad condition. And moreover, there is a hole on the susuma. And here you can see the ceiling is a little bit damaged. Fixing these things can be expensive because they require skilled craftsmen. Also, many old houses are in the countryside where it can be hard to find someone who knows how to repair them. As I mentioned, our horigotatsu is broken, so we plan to rebuild the table along with the floor under the tatami. Ta-da! So it's covered with the plastic, but it's called horigotatsu. So that's a heating system. In the winter time, we can turn it on and then put our legs like this when we are sitting. And then we put table on the top and also futon. Then we can warm our legs and eat food, enjoy oranges. Thankfully, we found a skilled carpenter who also helped us fix the termite damage. But we know these repairs will take time and money. Small spaces and low ceilings. If you are used to living in modern homes, living in a traditional Japanese house might be difficult. Kitchens are often small with a very little counter space. This is small, cute kitchen. Kind of old-fashioned. Many old houses don't have insulated pipes, so the water can be freezing in winter. And if you are tall, be careful. Doorways and ceilings are often very low, which can be a real headache.
So here you can see that the door frames are kind of low, so I always have to go down if I want to walk through.
We already started to modernizing our kitchen by raising it about 10 centimeters. To do this, we built a new base for the entire kitchen. Traditional Japanese kitchens are designed for shorter people, so I used to get back pain while cooking and washing dishes. Now with the extra height, we even have space for a Western style dishwasher. So this is the Western dishwasher which fits in our kitchen. So there are 5 challenges living in a traditional Japanese house. Despite these issues, many people love their charm and history. Would you still want to live in one? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out our video of 5 things we love about Japanese house. The good thing about tatami floor is that it is kind of soft, so we can comfortably sit down or even lie down on it. See you in the next video!